Well, a federal judge in Miami hearing closing arguments today from attorneys trying to shut down Alligator Alcatraz and those defending the controversial detention facility.
That facility is facing a slew of legal challenges. Last week, the judge said while she's considering everything from both sides, construction of any kind should stop at Alligator Alcatraz. I-Team Chief Mike Magnoli joins us in the studio with more. Mike?
Liz and Jim, the main argument from environmentalist groups and the Indian tribe in the area is that there were no environmental impact studies done on how a prison camp would affect the Everglades. But the state of Florida and the feds are arguing that the abandoned runway has been there for decades, so they didn't need to do a new impact study. Last week, Judge Kathleen Williams of the United States District Court for the Southern District of Florida ordered that any new construction at Alligator Alcatraz should be temporarily stopped while she digests the case about its future. Eventually, officials say 3,000 detainees could be held at the camp. Now, there's still some things being built at the site, but it's already in operation. Per the judge's order, crews had to stop if their work touched anything about installing new lighting, fences, pavement, new tents. So all of that is in limbo now, and the judge could say that Alligator Alcatraz is in violation of the National Environmental Policy Act. If that happens, government lawyers could, and likely would, appeal. But would the camp have to close down while those appeals are in progress? Hard to say. Government lawyers are also trying to show the judge that Florida runs the site, so a federal environmental impact study was not required. Other legal challenges are also being heard by other judges, like the lawsuit that claims detainees' constitutional rights are being violated because they can't meet in person with their attorneys, they're being locked up but haven't been charged with a crime, and there are no bond hearings going on. Alligator Alcatraz has become a symbol of President Trump's immigration policy. The purpose of the camp is to hold illegal immigrants until they're flown back to their home countries. There are reports of inhumane conditions inside the camp. President Trump says Alligator Alcatraz could be a model for future camps elsewhere in Florida and the country. Vigils and protests continue on the road to Alligator Alcatraz. No word on when the judge will come back with her decision on this. Back over to you.